Alright, welcome back everyone to my channel and to a new video. So in the last video or in the second last video we have shown how to find the ASCII value of some character, and in the last video we have shown how to compute the quotient and remainder in C programming language. Also we have seen to find the remainder in the C language we have some different operator, which is percent, or you can say ampersand operator. So that's all about we have covered up already. So today in this video I am going to show you how to find the size of some data type like int, char, float, okay, double. These are the data types in C language, right? So to store this type of data, say we need to store integer data, so we store in the int variable. Sometimes we are required to store float data type, so we have float variable, floated keyword float data type to store float values. Okay, so to store all these values, how much memory it takes to store some kind of data? Let us say to store integer data it takes some different values of bytes, okay, in the memory space. Some to store floating point number it takes different, let us say 2 bytes or 4 bytes. Okay, I will show you how to find that integer variable, how much space is taking integer values to store in the memory, and how much memory it is taking to store float datas in the memory. Okay, so I will show you that today. So first of all I will go inside the replit application. This is my replit application, and I will simply go to the necessary folder, which is this hello orco. Inside this folder I am storing all the codes just to serve you easily. So I'll go to this folder, C programming examples. Yeah, so we already have 5 video before this. Okay, so today again I am going to create a new REPL for this video. So I will simply click onto the plus sign. Here I have to choose C template. So in the template I need to choose C, and I have to give a title here. Let us say 06, because this is going to be our 6th video, and 06 underscore, what should be the name? Let us say the name is sizeof. Well, so this is the default code that has given. So I will simply remove this. I don't actually record this. Okay, I will simply remove up till this. So this is the basic structure, as you already know, of a C programming language. This is the basic structure here. So next what you have to do, so let us say we have int data type, then we have char. uh, Before that let's write we have for float. Next we have double. What are the data types we have? Next we have char. Okay, what else? Float, double, char, int. Let us go with these three. Okay, these are as similar as that. So let us type it as int type. Okay, so actually we don't actually need this, but again I'm showing you. This is float type. This is a variable name I am declaring. Double. Let us declare this as double type. Okay, so next we have characters, which is char type. mm, Char type. Okay, fine. Now next what she is going to do, we are going to know how much value of memory space, how much memory it is taking to store this integer or float or double or char. We will try to know this. So what we have to do, let us say to know the memory space which is required to store a integer value. What are this? We need to write this size of is a keyword in C programming language, and next we have to write this int type. So this will give us what this is going to be. This is going to give us size of this integer data type. Here we have to write ampersand zu. Okay, this is going to be what is going to be printed. Sorry, also we need to enclose this in the double quote, right? So this is the correct syntax here. So to print the size of integer, we need to write the zu ampersand zu, then comma size of int type. The size of int type is going to be returned the space in the memory which is required to store a integer value in bytes. Okay, so let us uh, run that. So you can see this is returning as 4. So this integer is going to be 4 bytes, going to be taking 4 bytes in the memory when we store some value inside it. Okay, so let us see that. As similar as that, you can also print for double, for float, and any other. So what I do, I will just uh, type here so that it looks fine. The memory space of int data type is this byte. Okay, this bytes. So let us run that. The memory space of int data type is 4 byte. So next we will see the memory space required to store all other data types. Next we want to see for float, right? And we will change this also as float. Next we want to see this for double, let's say, which we have recorded as double type. And next we want to see the same for characters, char, and here also we have to write char type. So what else? Nothing else. We have declared 4 data types, 1 2 3 4, and we have printed all 4. So let's see now. The memory space of int data type is 4 byte. The memory space of float type is also 4 byte. Memory space of double data type is 8 bytes. And finally the memory space for character data type is 1 byte. So this is the thing that I have wanted to show you. Again, if you want, you can run in another system or another computer. You may find these values are different because these values are depending upon the operating system. Like in the 64-bit operating system, it takes 4 bytes, but in the 32-bit operating system, it takes in generally 2 bytes. Well, so you don't need to worry about that. It is totally depending upon the operating system you are using or in which operating system your code is running. Okay, so that's the thing. So in the 64-bit operating system, this is like 4 byte. For float it is also 4 bytes. For double it is 8 byte, and for characters it is 1 byte. Okay, so that's the thing. Thank you so much for watching till now. And if you found this video helpful, please write me in the comment section that this video is helpful, and I will see you in the next video.